Hi there. We are on lesson number 14, more and more food. Okay, we have an apple, 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 like that. Curled real tight here. Put this knuckle on your cheek. Apple, apple. Peach, peach, peach. Berry. No, berries. What's that? Fruit. Berry. Berry. Just tap twice. Berry. Tomato. 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 Melon. 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 Potato. Forehand. Potato. Potato. Sour. Sour. Cream. See hand. Cream. Cream. Ooh. Pizza. Pizza. Crossed back towards your body and then back out to the side of the same side with your curled 2 or V hands. Pizza. Pizza. And snack. 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 Eat a snack. Yes? Okay. Cake. 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 Sissy hand. Cake. And coffee. Grind it out away from your body to the opposite side, back in. Little circles. And coffee. And coffee. Tea. Tea. And last is hungry. 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 Okay, ready for your sentence? Let's do this one. Oh, I just found almost a bonus word. Okay, not that one. That was not, didn't get in the lesson. It was on the list though. Here, another one is, okay, here, this one. Ready? Okay, what did I say? Say. Tell me in comments, and see you in lesson number 15, things you wear. Bye bye. Turn it out. Bye.